Writing code takes time, especially when you are fixing bugs, writing repeated code, or trying to understand a large project. That is why many developers are now using AI coding assistants. One of the newer tools getting attention is TRAE AI. It promises to help you write code faster, understand the project more easily, and spend less time on repetitive work. But is it actually worth using? In this video, we will take a simple look at TRAE AI, its features, and whether it can really save your time. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more about TRAE AI and other useful developer tools. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of today's video. First, let's talk about what TRAE AI is. TRAE AI is an AI coding assistant built to help developers work faster. Instead of writing every line of coding manually, you can ask AI for help with coding tasks, fixing errors, explaining code, and generating new functions. The goal is to reduce repetitive work so you can focus more on building your project. One of the biggest strengths is code generation. You can describe what you want in a simple language, and TRAE AI will generate code based on your request. This can save a lot of time when you creating common features or writing code that follows a familiar pattern. Another useful feature is code explanation. If you are looking at a piece of code that you don't understand, TRAE AI can explain what it does in a simple language. This is especially helpful for beginners or for developers working with someone else's project. Now let's talk about the debugging. Finding bugs can sometimes take longer than writing the code itself. TRAE AI can help you to identify possible problems and suggest ways to fix them. While you should always test the final result, this can reduce the time spent searching for simple mistakes. Another advantage is Project Assistant. Instead of helping with only one file, TRAE AI can understand more of your project and provide suggestions based on the overall context. This makes it more useful when you are working on larger applications. Now let's talk about the productivity. Many developers spend time writing similar code again and again. TRAE AI can generate boilerplate code, complete functions, and help with routine programming tasks. This allows you to spend more time to solving real problems instead of repeating the same work. Now, does it really save hours? For many developers, the answer can be yes, especially when working on repetitive coding tasks, debugging, or learning new technologies. However, it is important to remember that AI is a helper, not a replacement. You should always review the generated code before using it in a real project. So, who is TRAE AI best for? If you are a beginner, it can help you to understand code and learn faster. If you are an experienced developer, it can speed up your workflow and reduce repetitive tasks. And if you are working with a team, it can also help you to improve productivity by generating code more quickly and assisting you with common development work. Now let's talk about the pricing. TRAE AI offers different plans depending on your uses and features. Before choosing a paid plan, it is good idea to try the available free option. That way you can see whether it fits your coding style before making a decision. So what's the final verdict? TRAE AI is a promising AI coding assistant that can help developers write code faster, understand projects more easily, and spend less time on repetitive work. It would not replace programming knowledge, but it can become a valuable tool that helps you to work more efficiently every day. And that brings us to the end of today's review. Hopefully, this video helped you to understand what TRAE AI offers and whether it is the right coding assistant for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for useful tools and resources. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.